this video we will be learning about an AutoCAD design. So here we have the AutoCAD software. Okay, so this is 2021 version. So here we have the workspace. In this workspace we can draw 2D diagram. Okay, so the diagram or the picture which I have selected for today's session is an isometric diagram. This one I have to draw in 3D mode. Okay, so if I want to convert this 2D screen, okay, 2D workspace into 3D means I have an option here. Okay, so see here. So this is nothing but the isoplane left, isoplane top and isoplane right. So I am going to draw the isometric picture or the 3D picture. Okay, so isometric left option is there, isometric top option is there, isometric right option is there. So I can select anything of my choice. Okay, let me select the isometric right option. So this is the isometric view or the 3D view. So this is the perfect option to draw this kind of diagram. Okay, so now if I see, this is the very first line which I have to draw and it is of 40 dimension. Okay. So anything you want to ask till now?
How to access the command prompt?
Okay, so here, yes, that's actually a good question. The thing is, here we don't have the command prompt. Command prompt is very important according to AutoCAD for a designer. So the thing is, Control 9 I have to press and I got this prompt where I can see whatever I type. So here in this cursor I can see whatever I type, and here also I can see whatever I type. So command prompt is very important according to AutoCAD software. So here I have the right option, isometric right I have selected, but according to this one, this diagram I have the isometric left option. I have to change, okay, I have to change. So here I can change it as isometric left. Okay, so this is what exactly needed for my diagram. So in spite of going with this option all the time, I can use Control E. So this is a top plane. Okay, this is keyboard is always more exact and prompt for a designer. So Control E, top isoplane. This one is the right isoplane. This one is the left isoplane. Okay, we have to know this option, but we should not use it. That is the exact thing. Okay, so now it is in annotate mode. Okay, annotate mode is mainly for dimensions. Okay, but that is not needed as of now. I have to go with home. Okay, home, in home option, in the panel, drawing panel, I have so many options. Now I have to select the line. Okay, because I have to draw a line, right? So line I am drawing. So the line is getting into an angle of 40, 50, it is not straight. Okay, so I am pressing escape and I select this ortho mode on. This is also very important while drawing an isometric diagram. Okay, ortho mode means, see here, now again I select the line. See here, I am getting a perfect line of 30 degree alone and the line is not fluctuating. Okay, so I want a straight line. Okay, now the thing is, my dimension is 40. I have drawn 40 dimension line. Now I cannot see the line. I am zooming in. Okay, I zoom out. So now this axis plane is there here. I have to keep it, and let me keep it in the corner of the workspace. Okay, so anything you want to ask till now?
How to change the axis plane?
Yeah, so changing the axis plane, key option is Control E. So you can use Control E option to change from isometric left to isometric right and isometric top. Okay, so that is the best option. So now I have drawn a line of 40 centimeter. Now again I have to draw a line of height. Height is 10. So I move to the left. Okay, automatically if I change, there is no fluctuation. 150 degree is there is no fluctuation because the ortho mode has been turned on. Okay, so here towards this side, the dimension is So towards this side, 10.
How to give the dimensions?
Yeah, once again. So this is 10, 20, 15, 15. Okay, so let me keep. In most of the diagrams, they will not give the exact dimensions, but we have to calculate. So this is 40. Here, this shape dimension is not given. So I have to calculate myself. This is 10, this is 40. So these two has to be 30 exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
So if that is 30, this has to be 15 and this has to be 15. So that is the exact thing. So this is 15. I take it up and then 10 I make it. Okay. Then towards the left side I am going. Then 10 towards the bottom. 10 towards the right side I take as 15 and I close the diagram. So this is how you have to make a small picture or 3-dimensional picture in isometric view. Okay. So as how to give dimension. So the thing is you have to go into annotate option. So there you will be having options like dimension. So in 2D diagram you can give directly as dimension. Okay. But according to 3D diagram, dim align. Okay, which means that the dimension gets aligned along with the line. So this is another command. Okay, so I point here, I point out here, and I bring it down. So the dimension is very smaller in size. So I go to dimension style, modify, fit, and I am changing it as 10. Okay, okay, set current. Okay, set current and then close. So the thing is, I am giving all the options and I am refreshing it as set current and I got the value. Okay, I hope you would have learned from this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.